Are you searching for the best miter saws? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best miter saws recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. Evolution Compound Miter Saw. The Evolution R185 SMS plus 8 to 1/4 inch multi-material miter saw excels in cutting a wide range of materials effortlessly. It boasts the unique ability to cut through various materials such as wood with nails, copper, plastic, and more, all without the need for blade changes. This versatility simplifies tasks across different projects, saving time and enhancing efficiency. Powered by a robust 10-amp motor, the saw delivers swift and seamless cutting performance suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and transport to different work locations, offering flexibility akin to a portable tool. Equipped with a powerful motor and precision-enhancing features, it proves invaluable for woodworking projects. Pros: cuts diverse materials without blade changes. Powerful 10-amp motor. Laser guidance for precision. Lightweight and portable. Cons: smaller blade size, 8 to 1/4 inch. May require improved dust collection. Number 4. Skill Compound Miter Saw. The Skill Miter Saw features an LED shadow line that facilitates precise cuts with ease. Its dual bevel capability allows for straightforward angled cuts, adding versatility to various projects. Portability is a key highlight due to its lightweight design, yet it remains sturdy and stable during use. The included 10-inch 40-tooth blade is suitable for general-purpose cutting, although upgrading to a higher tooth count blade is recommended for finer cuts. A built-in laser guide enhances safety and accuracy, provided it's checked and adjusted regularly for optimal precision. A user-friendly knob on the miter saw ensures that both beginners and professionals can achieve precise cuts consistently. Tall sliding fences effectively support large materials, further enhancing the saw's functionality. Pros: decent stock blade. Efficient for quick tasks. Easy setup. Cons: knob can be challenging to use. Number 3. Bosch Compound Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM12SD 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw blends power, ease of use, and precision, offering a smooth cutting action that delivers both strength and finesse. It can effortlessly cut large pieces of wood, making it suitable for any project. The built-in laser guide is a helpful feature, though regular calibration is essential for maintaining consistent accuracy. Due to the saw's heavy weight, it should be used on a sturdy table, and proper safety precautions should be followed. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, enhancing its overall value. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this saw offers a combination of power, adaptability, and user-friendliness. Pros: easy to adjust bevel and angle. Effective slide mechanism. Cons: lacks a laser guide. Number 2. Delta Compound Miter Saw. The Delta S26-262L 10-inch Shop Master Miter Saw with laser is favored by woodworking professionals for its build quality and user-friendliness. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport to different job sites. A spindle lock feature simplifies blade changes, enhancing efficiency and speed when switching blades. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, this miter saw ensures swift and precise cuts through various materials. The integrated laser guide acts like a pointer, helping you make accurate cuts every time, making it an ideal tool for a wide range of woodworking projects. Pros: portable and lightweight. Easy blade changes with spindle lock. Powerful 15-amp motor. Accurate laser guidance. Cons: limited detailed features mentioned. Number 1. Metabo Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch miter saw delivers high power for demanding cuts with its 15-amp motor. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, it is notably portable. This saw offers great versatility, capable of tilting and turning in multiple directions. It can miter up to 52 degrees both left and right and bevel up to 45 degrees, allowing users to perform a wide variety of precise cuts. Setting angles is easy with its convenient buttons, and the large table with a strong clamp ensures that your workpiece stays securely in place. The saw includes a basic blade suitable for standard cuts, a dust bag, and a built-in laser guide for enhanced accuracy and convenience. Pros: accurate cuts. User-friendly for beginners. Sturdy build. Comes with a dust bag. 5-year warranty. Efficient performance. Cons: flimsy blade guard. Quite noisy during operation.